1v1 daw sila.
The ball.
Score! Hurry! Go! Yeah! Yeah! What's up mga katimpab? Welcome for another episode of Pub Daily. This afternoon, mag-VVIP training si Savi tsaka si Scarlett. Pero bago yan, magte-training muna yung FU Football Boys. Then after training, saka na papasok to mga VIPs. Kaso tulog pa sila, ipakita ko sa inyo. Nag-hibernate pa si Savi. Pag sa bahay, Savi yung pangalan niya. Pag sa field, Lamine Yamal daw siya. O yun yung peg niya eh. See ya!
Lamine Yamal. Again? Sabi again? Lamine Yamal.
Mag-start na kami sa VIP training ni Savi. Very important person. Savi! Nagapil-apil nag-shooting dito. Savi! Savi! Savi, come on! Bagong meta ng football ngayon, burger while training. Go Savi! Go! It's your burger! The burger goal! The burger goal! Finish! Yeah! Bite the burger! Celebrate!
Again.
Jumper! Sabi 1v1 with Savi. Go, Savi! Go! Where are you going? Where's the goal? You have to score the goal. You have to score. Go, where's the goal? You have to score. Go pass, Papa. Very good replay. Go, Savi. Go. Nice. Go, go, go. You have to score. I'm here. Yay! Celebrate, di Mama.
No!
Scarlett. We done?
Yeah!
We done. Kita-kits sa next.
Done! Video!